Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a OneDrive account, so let's get right into it. Now, OneDrive is Microsoft's own cloud storage service, very similar to Google Drive, which Google has, and to use it, you need an account, and you need a Microsoft account. Pretty much Microsoft accounts are used for all of Microsoft's software. It is a global account that you'll be using across the board, and of course with it you can use OneDrive. Now if you wish to create an account, you can just go to onedrive.live.com and just click sign in. Once you're at sign in, you can click create an account. However, if you're already logged into OneDrive through a different account, you can also create a new one by going into your account menu, pretty much, which is located here in the top right. You'll see your initials of your account. Click here, and to create a new profile or a new account, what you want to do is click on sign in with a different account. Once you do, you'll be taken to this page, and then you can just click on create one, as you can see. And once you're here, click create a new account if you need. Then you need to enter your email address of any email you would like. Then you'll need to set up your password and some other info, and just follow the steps, click next, and at the end you should be logged in. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys, I hope, next time or in another video.